Lego bricks. For a long time, bricks were considered to have an optimal shape and construction design. It seemed impossible to improve on them, and there was no need to. A few years ago, however, this idea was proven to be wrong. Turns out, this material can be made even more convenient. The proof is the Lego brick you see right now on the screen. Its distinctive feature is the special holes that provide a better connection between the blocks. It's no coincidence that the product was named Lego, because the shape of the blocks is actually very similar to that of the Lego bricks. See how little mortar the builder uses. That's because Lego bricks do not need a thick layer of bonding agent to stay firmly in place. The strong connection is ensured by the protrusions in the bricks locking into the holes, like a jigsaw puzzle. The use of lightweight bricks allows you to work faster and shorten construction time. In addition, manufacturing technology has been simplified. The bricks are created with a strong press, so there's no need to waste time on baking. The bricks gain strength when drying because they're made of a mixture of limestone, cement, and some other additives. The resulting wall stands out for its durability, frost resistance, and exceptional seismic resistance, and it weighs less than a standard brick. Extra strong insulation. This clip features the best construction material design to protect the roof from moisture and other adverse weather conditions. The products in the images are produced by GripRite. The first product is a dry or wet binder recommended for insulating parapets, places around glass roofs, joints, and corners. The substance contains bitumen and several minerals, which guarantees a high level of water resistance. At the same time, the composition is ductile and viscous, which means that it's easily and quickly applied in a uniform layer using a spatula. The next material is a special bitumen coating. It's a fibrous substance that can cover any roof, whether new or old. Even a thin layer of this material applied to the entire surface guarantees complete water insulation. By the way, a similar composition can be used to insulate foundations. It not only protects the surface from water, it can be used to insulate concrete, bricks, and metal, as it has the optimum elasticity to withstand the natural expansion loads to which the foundation is exposed due to climatic conditions. This feature prolongs the service life of the insulation layer. Finally, the last material we want to show you is this super resistant glue to join tiles both to the surface and to each other. Wood processing. If you've ever thought about how rounded legs for furniture are created, now we'll partially answer that question. Here's an automatic machine to make rounded wooden bars. The Italian company Brusa & Garboli SRL manufactures this equipment. This series of machines includes two models, the TPC45 and the TPC60. They differ only in their technical characteristics. Notice how quickly and easily the machine turns regular bars into rounded ones. Wood can be added to the machine manually or automatically. The TPC45 model handles bars with a maximum diameter of 45mm. The TPC60, as its name suggests, handles bars up to 60mm. In addition to furniture, they can also be used to manufacture spiral staircases. Recycled tiles. Anyone with a little concern for the environment knows how serious the current situation on our planet is. Humanity produces a large quantity of plastic which doesn't decompose for centuries, and only a small part of that is recycled. That's why the development and implementation of technologies such as the one we see on the screen must be encouraged. This is an unusual machine designed for plastic processing. It processes bags, foam, bottles, and almost any other plastic, turning the material into crumbs. The crumbs are then used to make a suitable mix for the production of paving tiles. In addition, blocks, cones, and other products are manufactured here. The plastic inside these blocks doesn't pollute the environment, but is safely concealed. Being by nature a viscous substance, it serves to additionally bond the components of the mixture. The massive use of this technology can benefit humanity and reduce the amount of waste on the planet. Roof tile manufacturing. Metal is one of the most common roofing materials. Tiles made of this material can have a varied appearance. The installation procedure is simple. The material has a huge safety margin at a low weight, as well as an affordable price. Now we'll see how metal tiles are manufactured on an industrial scale. Of course, this popular material is produced in large quantities, so factories use these machines. The development and creation of the equipment shown was carried out by specialists from Topo Machinery. The material enters the machine in the form of a painted thin sheet metal. The machine then molds the metal using cold forging. The sheet takes the desired shape thanks to a row of 6 rollers that repeatedly presses the surface. The machine cuts the sheets the desired size. Thus, the complete processing of the metal, from the initial state to the finished product, only takes a couple of minutes. This machine is capable of producing 2 different types of tiles. The manufacturer offers a large number of machines that operate in a similar way. Production of ceramic tiles. Finally, we'll show you how ceramic tiles are produced on an industrial scale. It is a complex, long, and interesting process that requires a large number of machines and people. The factory in the video is located in India and belongs to Somani Ceramics. It all starts in the factory workshop with the raw materials. The exact formula of the tile composition is often a trade secret, but the main component is invariably clay. It's mixed with water many times. It is very important that the composition is the same in each batch to guarantee that each tile produced is of the same quality as the others. Later, the prepared composition is exposed to high temperatures and fire, resulting in a hot powder. This material reaches the conveyor belt, which delivers it to the press to be stamped. The pressure force is so great that there's no need to use water or other materials to join the mixture. It should be noted that it's the absence of water in the production process that allows a perfectly smooth tile to be created. The almost finished product is sent to the oven for baking. During the movement of the machine, each tile is measured to ensure the correct size. The temperature inside the oven reaches 1050 degrees Celsius. In addition, the highest temperature is maintained in the center of the oven. The tunnel-shaped construction guarantees a continuous and uniform baking process. This means that the tiles are heated slowly at first and then cooled down slowly. At the end of the process, they take on the appearance we all know. The material is then cleaned and moistened and covered with enamel. After the surface is dried, the tiles are ready to be shipped to the store. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.